I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. With all the tools piled in here, I have quite a mess. Lots of various and sundry bits of equipment to move. And a lot of it is just things I'm going to have to carry by hand, you know, these little boxes and things. I don't have a set of forks for the tractor anymore. I made up a set to work with a 3-point hitch, but when I moved, I decided I didn't have room for them. For some unknown reason, I thought that was a good idea over at the old house. Well, I was working under pressure. I was trying to move all the tools out of the workshop by hand with my pickup truck. And having a hard time getting it done. Okay. First thing I'm going to move is a horizontal bandsaw. Because it's closest to the opening. It's also buried under stuff. Since it was close to the opening, it got a lot of things piled in it. This saw was a piece that I picked up at a flea market. I wanted to practice doing a buzz saw, and this was this price that I could afford. It's a lot smaller than a standard buzz saw, but it's going to let me set up this saw to file circular saws, and it's also going to let me use the, let's see, what is it, the 1045 and the 1055 to sharpen saw blades. Just something to practice on. But for right now, it's going to be making its home here in the garage until I get a chance to get there. This is the Foley Bell Saw sharpening machine. George Hooper traded me this for me getting his grinder and his chainsaw sharpener going. I haven't used it, but it has a great deal of potential, and I'm looking forward to getting it going. It needs some knobs. There's a couple missing, and a little bit of work needs to be done to it to make it work right. It does have a file in it, so that is a big part of the thing. It's got 2 file holders, so that's great. But this is going out to the workshop now. It's going to be another big project. It's only been hanging around now for, well, I went and got it before COVID. Been a while. We got the bandsaw out here. Now, gotta go hook up the filer. It ain't easy, but it's working.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.